All right, let's do a probability question. So here we have a box contains 4 red, 9 blue, and 7 green marbles or bowls. Find the probability of selecting a green bowl. So let's just draw a sack of bowls. Here we have a bag. We'll draw our 4 red ones, 9 blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our 7 green bowls. So right now we have all of our bowls in a bag right here. And we want to find the probability of selecting green bowl. So let's say the probability of a green bowl, that's going to equal the number of green bowls over the total number of bowls. So the number of green bowls we already said is 7. We have 7 green bowls. And the total number of bowls, that would be the number of red plus the number of blue plus the number of greens. We could count here in the picture, or we could just add up the numbers. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. So the probability of getting a green bowl is 7 out of 20, which is equal to 35%. And there we go. We found the probability of selecting a green bowl. In future videos, we're going to do more questions on probability and improve our understanding of this concept.